How to private your account on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can make your Facebook account private, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the first thing you have to understand is that Facebook does not have a simple toggle or one single toggle just like you have on Instagram and TikTok, so that you can switch between private and public account. On Facebook, that's not how it works. On Facebook, how it works is that you have to customize each of those options manually. You can choose to actually just open up Facebook, tap on the three lines icon from the top right, scroll down and then go to settings and privacy, then go to privacy shortcuts. So when you go to privacy shortcuts, you have the option called see more privacy settings. You just want to make sure to tap on see more privacy settings over here. So over here you'll be able to see all these sorts of information, so you can see how people can find and contact you. Just tap on that option. So you can select who can send you friend request. You can set this to everyone or you can set this to only me, depending upon which option you want to make private. And who can see your friends list, again you want to set this to only me. Then who can look you up using the email address you provided, you can set that to only me. Who can look you up using the phone number you provided, you can set that to only yourself as well. And do you want search engines to link it, you can just set that to only yourself. After that you have post, who can see your post, you can limit your past posts, you have your profile details and so on. If you just scroll down, you have stories, which is who can see your stories. You can also just set this to your own self, because you can customize who can actually see your story. So as I said, you have to review all these options manually, because Facebook does not have a single toggle just like you have on Instagram, so that you can customize these options manually. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.